Hello everyone, welcome to my video, and today I'm gonna show you how to fix Steam error failed to load steamui.dll file. So to begin with the process, first of all you have to exit the Steam application and then start with the process. And then you have to find the Steam app where you have installed the Steam. So open the start bar and find Steam there. And if you still didn't find the location, you just click the left button and then open file location. And here you go, you just found the Steam app where you have installed it, and then find Steam UI DLL and just delete it. After that, if you start the Steam application, you will see the error should have been fixed. If that also doesn't work, there is another method that you can find the Steam application and press right click on it and then go to the properties, and you will see there is window, and then in the top of the window you will see compatibility, and then tick mark the option run the program as administrator and then click apply and OK, and then go to the Steam application, open it, and you will see that error will be fixed. If this video is really helpful to you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe the channel.